In the heart of Paris, amidst the bustling streets and shimmering lights, two souls found themselves inexplicably drawn to each other. Sophie, a talented artist with a passion for capturing the city's beauty on her canvas, often spent her days sketching at a quaint café in Montmartre. It was there that she first laid eyes on Alex, a charming writer who frequented the café to find inspiration for his novels. Their initial encounter was fleeting, just a brief exchange of smiles and stolen glances. But as fate would have it, they kept crossing paths, their conversations growing longer and more meaningful with each passing day. Sophie was captivated by Alex's wit and intelligence, while he found solace in her gentle demeanor and artistic spirit. As they spent more time together, their bond deepened, blossoming into a love that felt destined. They explored the enchanting streets of Paris hand in hand, sharing dreams, fears, and aspirations under the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, but like all great love stories, theirs was not without its challenges. Sophie harbored a secret, a past that haunted her and threatened to tear them apart. Afraid of losing Alex's love, she struggled to open up, fearing rejection and judgment. Yet, it was Alex's unwavering devotion and understanding that ultimately broke down her walls. With his encouragement, Sophie found the courage to confront her demons, allowing their love to flourish even amidst adversity. Together, they learned the true meaning of love, that it wasn't just about grand gestures or sweeping romance, but about acceptance, forgiveness, and unconditional support. And as they stood hand in hand on the Pont des Arts, watching the sun set over the Seine, they knew that their love was a masterpiece, a timeless work of art that would endure for eternity.